Hello everyone, today I would like to share Anglia mock test paper section A. So watch carefully. In section A, it has 20 marks. You need to choose the correct words and write them on the lines. For example, there blah 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 a rabbit on the grass. The clue is so do you remember? You should use the singular verb is, right? So the answer is B, and you should write is on the line like this. Okay, let's look at question 1. Barbara Ayla walk to school every day. The clue is Ayla walk and every day, because every day you should use present simple, right? And Ayla is the third person singular, and walk is the verb root. So you can use is, you should use does. So the answer, you should write does on the line. Question 2. Pat blah 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 on Thursday afternoons. And the clue is, okay, the clue is Pat and afternoons. Pat is the third person singular, and Thursday afternoons, it plus s, it means every Thursday afternoon. So you must use present simple. It's a habit, right? And the Pat is the third person singular, so you must use present simple. So the answer is swings. So you must write swings on the line. Question 3. Barbara, the cat eating its dinner. So can you find the clue? In question 3, the clue is the cat eating. So the cat, it means the third person singular. So you must use the third person singular verb. And eating means continuous. So it doesn't include any verb in this sentence. So you must use am is out. And the cat, you need to use is, the third person singular. So you must use is. You must choose is and write it on the line, because V verb plus ing, V verb ing. So you must choose is in question 3. Okay, let's look at question 4. Thomas likes blah 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 to his friends. Do you remember the rules? Yes, you must circle the clue. This question gives us is likes, and like, do you remember? Like it has two options you can use after like. You can use 1, 2 plus V root, or 2, you must use V ing, verb ing. So which one is better? You already, like is a verb, so you must use ing, no 2 plus V verb. So you must choose yes, talking. So you must write down the talking on the line. Question 5. Play blah 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 tennis in the park at the moment. Okay, let's see. This question 5 gives what kind of clue in this question? Yes, lay tells us it's a plural verb, the plural subject. And at the moment, it means right now. So you must use ing form. And they, the subject is there, so you must choose are, playing. So the answer, you must write down are playing on the line. Okay, question 6. My sister is 9 years old, blah, blah, blah. 17th February. Wow, this question is very easy. We already remembered. You must remember the rules, then you can choose. Okay, in question 6, the clue is 17th. Do you remember the rule of the preposition of time? Do you remember? In is for longer times, like years in 2021, and in seasons in the summer or in summer, and in months like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, like these months. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, like this. You must remember, in this place, in this time we must use in. And the second bigger preposition is on. You can use it on days, dates, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It has day, right? Days, D-A-Y. Any word has day, you must use on. And the dates, like numbers 4th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, blah, 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 to 31st. Do you remember? Like on October 4th, it has dates. Then you must use on. Okay, then if it's combined, the combined times but include day or dates. You need to use on, like on Sunday afternoon, on the weekend, like this. You will wonder why it has at the weekend and on the weekend, because it's a rule. They both used in the native speakers. So you can use on or at. You mean at, it means the small time, the shorter. On is longer. So 17th is because the 17th, so you must choose on. Okay? And write down on the lines. Okay, in question 7, they blah 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 working this week. Let's take a look. The crew is dead and working. So the third person singular they. You must use is or does. And the working, it has ing form. It doesn't, in this sentence, it doesn't include the verb. So you must choose isn't. So the answer isn't, you must put it on the line. Do you remember the auxiliary verb does or doesn't? You can, after does and doesn't, you must use the verb root. Infinitive. You must use infinitive. You can use ing. So it has ing, so you must use isn't. Question A. They put blah 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 shoes by the door. They put blah 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 shoes by the door. Okay, let's see. The clue is lay and put. Because lay, you must use put. It's very simple. It has the subject and verb and others. So, because blah blah blah's shoes, so you must choose their shoes. So you must write down their on the line. This is question A. Okay, let's take a look. Question 9. The football match starts blah 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 5 o'clock. Do you remember The clue is 5 o'clock. And do you remember the preposition of times rule? Okay, I pass it one more time and remind you. Because the time is very small, so you must use which one? Do you remember? Yes, at. So you must write down at on the line. Okay, in question 10, blah 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 are the apples. Blah 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 are the apples. Oh, WH questions. So I would like to remind you. Are the apples or apples are. So it's very easy. Okay, let's review about question words. The first one, what? It used to ask about things like, what's this? Second one, when. It used to ask about time, like, when are you leaving? And third one, where. It used to ask about places. Where's my bag? Fourth one, who. It used to talk about people, like, who is your favorite actor? Fourth, which. It used to ask about choices, like, which one do you choose? Next one, why. It used to ask about reasons and causes, like, why is he crying? And the last one, how. It used to ask about manner, process, like, how can you explain this problem? So in question 10, are the apples. So we wouldn't like to use when. Apple, it doesn't mean the time, and apple is the thing. We can use who. So we can ask where. Where are the apples? Okay, that's the end of the session 8. See you next time. Bye.